Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my beauty buffet. I have to admit I haven't posted for a little while, but I've had a lot of heavy things to deal with in my business and personal life. So as you know, this is my side gig for now, but I promise now I'll be able to upload some more videos a lot more frequently. So my life's calmed down a little bit now. So I'm doing the unboxing of the Sculpiflex. So this is, when I saw this, I saw it on an ad. It was an advertisement on, I think, the app Cam Scanner. So there's always ads everywhere, as you know. And they're generally not trustworthy. So I want to see if this one is trustworthy. So let's see. It said it was backed by Oprah. However, I've done a bit of further research and I haven't found anything to back that up. So if you could let me know, that would be great in the comments. And it comes with the Sculpiflex cream. Hang on. Wrong one. The microcurrent gel. So it's a conductive gel, obviously, to make it all a smooth process and actually work. And as they add on more when you're purchasing things, obviously they add more on as a discount, and I can be a sucker for these things. So obviously I've got 3 stretch marks ones. I think they're about $60 extra as a sale. Actually, I only have 1 stretch marks cream. Okay, that's interesting. I bought it about 3 weeks ago, so I don't really exactly remember. I have 3 microcurrent gels. Yep, 1 stretch marks cream, which I think anybody on the planet could use. Hopefully that works. And I have 3 anti-cellulite creams. So let's hope these work. So 3 of these. So you get the drift. So for now, I'm going to put these back. And obviously this video is only unboxing. I'm going to test this out over the next 2 months. And I'm going to let you know if it actually works in 2 months. So stay tuned for that one. So I'll place this to the side. I actually did a little bit of an unboxing at the start earlier, but my camera froze right at the worst timing. They did come with a plastic cover, so I've already taken that off with the scissors, and I started to open the box. But yeah, let's complete this now. I've been trying to find things, for the body. There's a lot for the face in terms of lifting skin and all that, but body-wise, there's not that much on the market to reduce cellulite and loose skin and all this kind of stuff. So this has now come to my, I actually don't know how long it's been around, but it's probably relatively new. It's come to my attention, obviously just recently, just 3 weeks ago. I literally bought it the day I saw it because I was very excited. So my other alternative, if this doesn't work, is going to a skincare store, paying minimum $2,000, the cellulite and all that reduced. And you get about 30 to 40% reduction. So I'm hoping this works. The good thing and the reason I bought it was it has a 90-day money-back guarantee. So that's pretty good. So I'm pretty confident in this, because if it doesn't work, send it back. What do you got to lose? So anyway, I'll let you know. Yeah, give me 2 months. Get back to you. But yeah, so let's start this opening. So for now, like I said, it has a cover, but I've taken that off already. Pull it off from the bottom. Alrighty, so let's see what's in the box. So we have a habit tracker. This is cool. I've done a video recently on habit tracker for my other channel. I haven't finished editing it yet and it hasn't been uploaded, but it will soon. So that's just for a daily habit tracker. Here we go. This is it only has 1 month. So then you can place a sticker on the days that you've done the work. I think you're meant to be doing it every day for 15 minutes apparently, but I'll let you know that in 2 months when I've uploaded my video. So yeah, that's for the habit tracker. There is a share your success story, which I will be doing in my next video, as I mentioned. there is the ultimate 3-in-1 body sculptor. So 3-in-1, there must be three parts to the device. What's included, oh here we go, so there's a 15% off VIP 15 voucher. Probably only applies if you actually have a membership and you put in all your details and they know you've already purchased it. But go ahead and try it if you can. 15% off. So yeah, they have a user instruction manual, which is pretty common. Obviously you need to know what's inside, how to use it and put it together and all. And what else? Alright, so this is what's inside the basic kit. So we have the Sculpiflex device. It's quite medium weight. I wouldn't say heavy or light, it's quite medium. Nice to hold. I like the texture. Nice and smooth feeling. Bip bip, yep. Very nice. We have 2 different suction cups. So I'm guessing they're for different parts of the body. So different areas, different sizes. We have whatever this is. It doesn't actually say, so I got no idea to be honest, but I'll let you know when I'm doing my video, my next video. And lastly, it has a C-class charger, adapter, the cord. It looks like it actually doesn't have the charger. So that's unfortunate, but I noticed a lot of things you buy online these days don't come with a charger. So pretty common for that, I guess. Just have a spare charger, make sure. So I'll put all that back. Let's hope this stuff works. I will let you know, and there is the 90-day money-back guarantee, so I am quite hopeful whether it works or not. And if not, you'll see another video where I'm going to the skincare store and I get my fat and cellulite reduced, and that will be another video if this doesn't work the way I want it to work. So yeah, let's hope everything's all good and I'll get back to you with another video soon. Thank you so much for watching. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Me? Bye-bye. Bye guys, I'll see you soon. I love you.